Welcome to IQD Dinar News, your go-to source for the latest updates on currency exchange rates, revaluation news, and insights into the Iraqi dinar. Stay informed and ahead of the curve with our timely analysis and breaking developments. The statement from Central Bank Governor Al highlights the current economic situation in Iraq, emphasizing two major financial indicators: the amount of currency in circulation and the size of foreign reserves. Al mentions that there is now over 100 trillion dinars circulating in the Iraqi economy. This figure represents the physical currency issued, but it's essential to clarify that it doesn't account for the entire money supply, which would include bank deposits and other forms of liquid assets held in the financial system. This large volume of cash is notable in that it reflects a significant reliance on currency within the economy. Having such a vast amount of cash in circulation may suggest a preference for cash transactions over banking systems, often a trait of economies where trust in banks or digital infrastructure may still be developing. In addition to the high volume of currency in circulation, Al points out that Iraq's central bank holds over $100 billion in foreign reserves. These reserves are a critical economic tool, as they provide the central bank with the flexibility to stabilize the currency, manage exchange rate fluctuations, and support imports. Foreign reserves act as a buffer against external shocks, such as shifts in oil prices or global economic downturns, which could otherwise have a direct negative impact on the dinar's value. Maintaining a high level of reserves is particularly important for Iraq, as it helps to protect the economy from external factors that could influence inflation or currency stability. A key aspect of the central bank's role, as stated by Al, is to control inflation, a critical measure of monetary stability. Inflation occurs when prices of goods and services increase over time, reducing the purchasing power of money. In Iraq, the central bank has managed to keep inflation below 3.8%, a figure Al describes as a typical percentage. This low inflation rate indicates a stable economic environment, as moderate inflation levels are often associated with economic growth and consumer confidence. For Iraq, maintaining such low inflation is crucial, as it promotes a favorable environment for investment, trade, and general economic stability. Al-Awlak's statement also underscores the central bank's success in achieving monetary stability. By maintaining a high level of foreign reserves and keeping inflation low, the central bank creates a stable economic foundation. A stable currency encourages investment, as investors are more likely to engage in an economy where the value of money is predictable and inflation is low. Furthermore, it supports economic prosperity by protecting the purchasing power of citizens, allowing them to make long-term financial decisions with greater confidence. In summary, Al-Awlak's statement reflects the Central Bank of Iraq's efforts to strengthen the country's financial stability. With over 100 trillion dinars in circulation, a substantial level of foreign reserves, and inflation controlled below 3.8%, Iraq appears to be achieving a degree of economic stability that can foster growth and prosperity. The central bank's focus on these areas highlights its commitment to providing a stable economic environment, essential for both Iraqi citizens and the broader economic landscape. For Iraq, keeping inflation low is particularly important as the country continues to recover and rebuild its economy. A favorable inflation rate creates an attractive environment for investment and trade, as both domestic and foreign investors seek to place their capital in stable markets. Investors are generally more willing to invest in economies where inflation is controlled, as it reduces the risk of losing money due to eroding currency value. In contrast, high inflation can deter investment, as investors fear that their returns will be diminished by rising prices. Moreover, low inflation supports broader economic stability by protecting the purchasing power of citizens. When inflation is kept in check, individuals can make long-term financial decisions without the constant worry of rapid price increases. This stability allows households to plan for the future, save money, and invest in opportunities such as education or housing, contributing to overall economic growth. Al-Alaq's emphasis on the central bank's role in achieving monetary stability through low inflation and high foreign reserves is crucial. By effectively managing these aspects, the central bank lays a strong foundation for the economy. A stable currency, bolstered by substantial foreign reserves, enhances the confidence of both consumers and investors. It signals that the central bank is capable of intervening in times of economic stress, thereby reassuring market participants about the security of their investments. In summary, controlling inflation is a key function of Iraq's central bank, as highlighted by ILEC. The ability to maintain inflation below 3.8% not only reflects the effectiveness of the central bank's monetary policy but also contributes significantly to creating a stable economic environment. Such stability fosters investment, supports economic growth, and protects the purchasing power of the population, ultimately paving the way for a more prosperous future for Iraq. Thanks for tuning in to IQD Dinar News. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more updates on the Iraqi dinar and global currency trends, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.